I am in the middle of many assessments, and it is very easy to get overwhelmed and stressed when deadlines are looming over you. Sometimes I notice that I have a knot in my chest, a build-up of mental baggage that has transformed itself into an unpleasant emotion. So the question is, how do we deal with the tasks before us? There is an ancient Zen proverb that goes like this: before enlightenment, chop wood, carry water. After enlightenment, chop wood, carry water. The idea is that before and after enlightenment, what you do doesn't change, simply how you approach the doing. Before enlightenment, you chopped wood, but your mind was somewhere else. After enlightenment, you chop wood and your mind is completely focused on the activity, like an Olympic swimmer who is focused on swimming fast. If their mind is anywhere else, their thoughts will sap the energy needed to swim to the finish line. To an observer, you are still chopping wood, but enlightenment doesn't promise a change in external appearance. It promises a shift in your internal world. How can this help with dealing with stress? While your mind convinces you that there are many things going on and you must criticize the past and worry about the future, there is only ever one thing to do. Multitasking means you do more than one thing suboptimally. If you were to chop wood and carry water at the same time, you wouldn't get anywhere with either. Doing one thing at a time means keeping all your attention on the task at hand. I often catch myself doing one thing but thinking about the next thing I'm going to do. If you chop wood but are thinking about carrying water, you're only half awake. One eye on the present moment, the other on the future. Direct all your attention on what you're doing in this moment.
Woo! Done! In your face, Bush!
Not only will the task be completed quicker, but it will also be done better. It is often true that we spend more time thinking about doing things than actually doing things. This shows that the ego is ruling our lives. It might be beneficial to the ego to think continually, but for you, it is only a detriment. We are so often focused on our goals that we neglect what we can do in the here and now. We can ruminate about all the things that need to be done, indulge in anxiety and misery about the future, or we can take the first step, chop wood, and then carry water. Chopping wood and carrying water are often seen as menial and tedious tasks, but after enlightenment, according to Zen, you stop preferring tasks over others. Every task becomes equal. You surrender to the job at hand. You are no longer in conflict with the isness of the present moment. Instead of complaining, you chop wood. As Marcus Aurelius said, the happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. End quote. One man can carry water in peace and tranquility, the other with disdain and misery. Same job, different quality of thinking. Chopping wood and carrying water are both hard tasks, but as Marcus Aurelius said, everything that happens is either endurable or not. If it is endurable, then endure it. Stop complaining. Your destruction will mean its end as well. Just remember, you can endure anything your mind can make endurable, by treating it as in your interest to do so. End quote. Our thoughts are limiting. We can do anything we set out to do, and every dream starts with one step. So pick up some wood and get chopping, and when you are done, carry water. As J.R.R. Tolkien said, little by little, one travels far. End quote. With this Zen wisdom, I can be more productive. I can write a to-do list and then do one thing on it, and focus intently. Because as the Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu said, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. End quote.